Hello and good day, dear customers. Welcome to our HAVO Academy. My name is Dirk Finkenrath, and in today's tutorial I would like to present to you our foot switch operated impulse sealing device HAVO Plus HPL 450 AS. The impulse sealing device is suitable for thermoplastic and aluminium laminate film. The device is available in sealing bar widths of 450, 630 and 1000 millimeters. More options and accessories can be found in our product brochure. Machine installation is quite simple and intuitive. Please use a stable support or table. Connect one end of the original mains cable to the machine, the other end to a suitable power supply, here 230 volts. Switch the machine on and choose suitable settings for your packaging material. In our example, a heating time on level 4 and a cooling time on level 8. During machine application, please fill your packaging material with your product at hand. Place this pouch between the heating bars, press the foot pedal and keep it pressed, and the optional cutting device allows you to shorten the pouch accordingly, and here the perfect result. Thank you for watching, and just a final tip. Do you actually know our innovative Nanopack family, now available in customized color schemes? For more information, please use the link below.